Yeah. So again, my point over here is human is a very important parameter for the design thinking approach. Fine. So according to your syllabus, if we go, you may see design and design thinking. So people may think whether design and design thinking both are same. Can I get the answer for this? I want the answer from the third bench. From that side, second boy. Get up. Next to blue shirt. Yeah, please get up. Let's not waste time. Get up fast. Yes. So here I have written two terms. One is the design, other one is design thinking. What is your opinion about it? Let us not waste time, I said. What do you understand from design? Yes. Sorry? Design has a unique structure. So design is a just process of designing something. The design of anything. Design a fan, design a bangle, design a jewels, design dress, anything. Designing something is called design. There is no whatever comes to your mind, whatever is your imagination may or may not take a shape. Okay? So anything you can draw, anything you can design, anything you can make, that is called design. But design thinking is a mindset. It is an approach. Okay? So design is design of anything. If you are working on a chart, you design something. You are creating something, you give a design and then you give a realistic shape for that. Design, now how it looks is called design. Design thinking, how you approach any problem. So design thinking requires various things. So very first, you need to have a empathy towards the thing. Empathy is, I must always have a habit of listening the people, understanding the people to whom I am doing something. I may be a superior, but I cannot expect you to obey whatever I say. If it is too much of conflict or controversial thing, definitely there may be a distraction. You will not be able to go along with my words. In that case, I should listen you. What exactly you need? Very hot. Okay. May month you are attending class. Okay. So all the fans are making too much noise. And I am saying that this noise is disturbing me. So you should not put a fan. So when I say you all should not put a fan, only for me, I will put a fan and then taking a class. If I am saying you cannot reply anything, yes, it's fine. But will it be a right way? I need to understand your condition. So I can raise my voice, but I cannot make you to stop using the fan. You get my point? So I need to have a clear understanding about the people. Without understanding, I cannot do something. Understanding is very important. Number 2, collaboration. It must be a teamwork. It must be a teamwork. A single person may have some hundreds of opinion. When I join with some 9 more people, the team size becomes 10 now. So 10 into 100 will be how many opinions I am having, how many ideas I am having. So various opinions. When I work collaboratively with other people, the end product will be very hit, will be used.